Hi, welcome again to our succulent house, and today we'll not be looking at a few beautiful succulents, but I have a special guest also joining us today. Aaron's here next to me, and we'll be looking at urban plants and plants doing well in pot plants inside your house as well in the urban area. So one of the first ones is right here in front of me is the Crassula ovata, well known in South Africa and well known from the Eastern Cape thickets, also known as the jade plant or karkai in Afrikaans.
Right, the other plant that I want to also emphasize is the mother-in-law's tongue. They shade loving, tolerant, very easy to grow. Once you've established it, low maintenance as well.
Also a beautiful house plant, and as a youth belief around them that they purify the air in your house as well. Yeah, another nice plant to have in a pot, especially inside your house. Small spaces, Zambofia tenuata, or a zebra, dwarf aloe, I think is one of its common names. Beautiful plants, also known from South Africa.
Also, if I can add, very easily propagated. One can just divide them or pot them up. And yeah, beautiful indoor plant as well as outdoors. It can take full sun as well as shade.
Difficult to kill, I think is one of the most important stuff. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you maybe even at the Chelsea Flower Show this year. We'll have a succulent garden in partnership with the Newt, and some of these plants will be visible at that garden alongside Aaron and myself. So please come and visit us at Chelsea, but if it's a bit too far, we're always here at Babylon as well. Thank you.